So, I have proof that scientists are liars because the laws of physics and nature don't apply to everything in nature. Watch this man defy the so-called laws of gravity, man. Watch. The laws of gravity does not apply to this man. This man is a proud criminal who does not follow the laws of gravity. Gravity is like traffic light to this man. If he wants, he can just stop following the laws of gravity or traffic light and just take off into the horizon. And that's not all. He is also faster than the speed of light. And I have proof. For all you scientists, watch! See, the bikers started falling off their bike when this man was just sitting and chilling in his car. Now for a normal human being, before you can open your car door, the bikers will hit the ground from falling off their bike, obviously. But not this man. Oh no! He will open his car door, get out of the car, close the car door, walk away from the car and crack his knuckles, and then the bikers will fall to the ground. Watch! Now tell me, that is not the greatest criminal of the laws of nature you have ever seen in your life. Because he just broke all the laws of the speed of gravity on nature. I bet you did not see this, but when he got out of the car and locked the car door, he baked a birthday cake for his daughter before he walked away from the car and cracked his knuckles. You did not see that because your naked eyes cannot process how fast this man is. He looks at the laws of physics and nature as suggestions. He thinks, maybe I follow the laws of gravity today, maybe I don't. Maybe I stop a moving car with my eyes just by looking at it. Total boss, I bow down to you, sir. Please be my father. I am trying to grow mustache so that I can be in your family of superheroes. I am not worthy. I am not worthy. I am out. I am out. Yalla.